y'all, welcome back to Wilson's For Real. Shout out to the Real Squad up. We made it to Chicago and we are at the Marriott Marquee at McCormick's place. And we are about to give y'all a quick room tour. So this is the hallway of the Marriott Marquee. I'm just going right here. And the hotel is very clean. It can't be that old. I'm just saying this view here. Look at this view. This is what's directly across the street. But geesh, look at that view.
All right, so we've made it to the room. The kids are very excited. So we got this is the double queen here, and of course, you know they have the emergency plan. You got to make sure you know what the emergency plan is. And here is the shower. This is a pretty nice shower. Let's see, nice walk-in. I'm not gonna walk in with my shoes, but it's an overhead shower. And take this doggone mask off, it's choking me. And look at the mirror, look at that sexy guy right there. And nice little toilet. Nice little area for your clothes. Let me see, there's an ironing board. There is a little box here for your coffee. Has all of the exclusive organic chamois. They got the life water, which is $6, so we will not be partaking in that. There is a safe in here and a fridge. So we got a fridge. We bought water on our road trip, so nice drawers. They got the Book of Mormon in there. The Book of Mormon and the Holy Bible. Got your ice chest. Nice little Chicago pick. I don't know what, this is the door that closes the bathroom, which is pretty cool. There's LaCrista standing over there looking like, finish the room tour, Terry. We got the two beds. Let me give you a nice view. So the beds look a little low, so you can just jump right into the bed. There's a connecting door for Granny. Nice size TV. Open the window, T. We got a nice view. It's a nice sitting area. Nice little desk. Open the other one, Logan. You see the view of Lake Michigan?
I like the lake.
There's Lake Michigan. We got people over there sailing. So we got us a nice view from the room. It's double queen. They got the chargers for all your devices. It's a nice room for a few days.
Yeah.
We got a connecting room because Grammy's next door.
Okay.
There's Logan playing around and excited about the shower. So that is the room here at the Marriott
Marquee.
I think the S is silent, babe.
Marquee. I said Marquee.
Yeah, I heard the S come out.
Marquee at McCormick Place. It's huge. The hotel is humongous.
It is. It's a nice hotel.
Big chunky.
We'll make sure we show you the lobby area because the lobby area is amazing. It's immaculate.
Yeah.
So that's the room tour.